Hello mga Sadik. YouTube team sent email to us on March 9, 2021 that states upcoming tax changes to your YouTube earnings. So I think this is for all YouTube creators, US citizens and non-US citizens. So we need to fill up a tax info sheet to avoid big percentage of tax to be deducted in your YouTube earnings. So in this video also, I will teach you how to fill up and how to be approved in order to avoid this big amount of percentage. Because if you do not comply, YouTube, you will be subject to 24% tax deduction. So the deadline of this is until May 31, 2021. If you Okay mga Sadik, now I will show you step by step how to create your United States tax information for non-US citizen. First, you need to log into your Google AdSense account, go to payment, and it will show you this United States tax info. But then here we are going to choose individual. It will show you what type of account is Alvin Tapang. And then we have to choose individual. Again, next, click next. And then the next question is, are you citizens or resident of the United States? I am not, because I am here in Saudi Arabia and I am citizen of the Philippines. So I will click no and then click next. At this time, it is asking what form, W-8 form. Actually, this W-8 Ben is for individual. And most likely this W8-8 ECI is for business. Then I will choose W8 Ben because I am individual. Then start. W8 Ben, click form. So it will show you the W-8 Ben form showing number 1, tax identity, and asking for the name of the individual. Automatic, your name is there, Alvin D. Tapang, that is my name. And the next one is doing business, DBA, doing business as name or disregarded entity. And it's written down, it is optional. So I will not write on it. I will not fill in this one. And the next question is country of citizenship. So I will choose my country, which is the Philippines. There you have it. Again, under this tax identification, they are asking for the TIN number. So it is also under optional. So I will leave this blank and this also because I am not in US. Optional. So I will click next. Now it is asking the permanent resident address. It's automatic that I am here in Saudi Arabia, and also this Saudi Arabia country here, this is the one I put when I make my account in Google AdSense. So it is automatic there. I will just put my address here. Actually, I address myself in my company in Second Industrial. So I will put the street, Al Qasim, street, or 27th Street. What is the city? Located in Second in Industrial City in the mom. Then the postal code 31461. So mailing address is the same as permanent resident address. Yes. So when they make mail for me, it will be addressed to this location. So I will receive the mail here. Click next. So it will show you all your tax identity and address that you fill up before. So name, Alvin Tapang, Philippines, and the address, Saudi Arabia, and mailing is the same as residence address. Again, we are moving to the next question, which is the tax treaty. Tax treaty between, I think, two countries. I am in the Philippines and US. If they have treaty for tax, I think there's nothing. And also nothing here in Saudi Arabia. So I will choose no. But then next. And it will show you the preview of the forms. Let's open the form. What? This is the certificate of foreign status of beneficial owner for United States tax withholding and reporting individual. So my name is here, my country of citizen, country where I am resident now, and my addresses. If you want to print, you can print. This is printable. Now let's go back to continue our form. So if you double check this form, then it is asking you to confirm. So I will confirm, meaning that all the written information I wrote is are true and correct and complete. Then after checking the box of confirmation, you need to click the next. From here, if you want to read certification and you are acknowledging that if you make mistake or wrong in your inputs, then you will be under penalties of perjury. It means that all your information written must be accurate, correct, and true. So you need to sign here. I will just type my full legal name. And the next question, are you the person listed on the signature section? Yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and completing this form on my own behalf. But then click next. And now it is asking if you have any activities or services performed in US and affidavit. So I have no business, services, any activities in USA. So I will choose no. And I need to certify. And the next question is the status change affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new existing payment profile that hasn't received payments? Like me, I do not receive any payments from Google AdSense because I just monetized and I am still not reached the $100 threshold. So I will choose I am providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received any payments. The other one is when you already receive payment from Google AdSense, something like this. So I choose I am providing tax info that hasn't received any payments. So submit. Oh, that's all, kalas. When you finish filling up or submit all and write all the informations, then you will see here United States tax info. This is the form we choose, W-E8Ben, and the status is approved. My name and the date that I submitted the United States tax form. That's all, I think. And I think at the same time, you will receive email message to your email from YouTube that I think showing that your application for tax is approved. I think that's all. Maasalama. Hello mga Sadik. So, after I finished filling up all the information and I saw that my tax information has been approved, automatically I will receive also email from Google Payments. So here I receive it and it states Google Payments, your tax information has been approved. Okay, that's all. Maasalama. Thank you for watching.